Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Maggie. Today, I'm very excited because my FabFitFun box finally came, and it came on the much earlier side than it did for the winter box. All I have done is use scissors to open this massive box because I got add-ons once again. Let's just go ahead and start with the add-ons first so that I can put this massive box on the ground. The first thing I got was the Capre Coconut Cleansing Oil. I've been recently interested in double cleansing because I've just noticed my makeup is not coming off. It says that you're supposed to shake well before use and rub 3 pumps of cleansing oil into your hands and massage onto wet or dry face for 30 seconds or until the makeup is removed. So apparently this is sort of like a melt-off cleanser. To be determined on how this performs, but I am very excited about it. I ended up getting it, I think, for something like $11, and I think it's somewhere usually around like the $22 range, so pretty good discount on this FabFitFun add-on. The next thing I am the most excited about though, because this is the Chlorine Blonde Highlights Sun Lightening Spray. I used to be super duper blonde, like really blonde when I was younger, and as I've gotten older, my hair has gotten progressively darker and darker and darker. And so as you can see, the lighter spots of my hair are definitely at the bottom, and at the top things are looking pretty dark. Now that has a lot to do with the fact that it's been winter, I haven't been in the sun, but I'm hoping that this is really going to take things to the next level. I read a lot of reviews on this before I took the plunge and spent the $9 on it because I didn't want a sun-in situation, you know, that spray that like turns everybody's hair brassy orange, and everybody says that this performs really well and they didn't have like streaky lightening spots. Yeah, it smells okay. It smells a little bit chemically, but it says that it's made with chamomile and honey. So those were the only 2 like physical add-on products that I ended up getting for this season. The rest of the money that I had in add-on credit, I actually chose to donate to the Girl Rising Fund, which is actually who FabFitFun partnered with this spring for their charity. So the first thing I see is this Etica Daydreamer tassel earrings. Now these were actually one of the items that I got to choose what color. It was one of the customizable options, and that was not available only to annual subscribers. Even those people who subscribe quarterly, those people were allowed to pick their color as well. So you got to choose between black and a light pink color. I felt like black was a little bit more versatile. However, it is very bold, so we will see how these wear. It says in the little pamphlet that these retail for $58, which is pretty pricey. I don't think I would have bought these for $58. Okay, so here's what they look like, and I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I was a little worried that these were gonna be too big, but for somebody that really likes big earrings, I don't know why that was actually a worry. One thing I noticed on these is that they are 18 karat gold plated and they're nickel free. So those of you with sensitive ears could actually wear these earrings without any problem, I think. I guess I'll just wear them the rest of the video because it's too much trouble to put my other earrings back on. All right, the next thing is this Ish Lip Statement Palette. Now, this was one of the very first box spoilers that they put out this season for FabFitFun, and to be honest, I wasn't the most excited because I'm not gonna carry this lip palette around with me, but I guess for that first coat of lipstick in the morning, I could always just reach for this palette. So this actually has a really awesome mirror, as you can see. It's like reflecting everything, but then it has a lot of wearable shades, like that entire row right here. I could definitely pull off, and then it's fun to have these little reds that you wear occasionally and those pops of pink for the summer coming up. So maybe I will get more use out of this than I originally thought. It also comes with this little lip brush. I'm gonna swatch a little bold shade here for you. Whoa, I mean, that's a lot of color. Dang, okay, all right. So maybe I will get some use out of this. This seems to be really high quality. I definitely don't have anything like it. Let's see how much this retails for. It says this alone is $42. And another thing that FabFitFun does that I just noticed in the magazine that I forgot to point out earlier is that on a lot of these brands that they offer, they give you discounts for a certain period of time after you get the box. So if you really like this product and you want to check out more from that brand, you can typically get like 20 to 30% off of their products because you're a FabFitFun member, which I think is really cool. The next thing in the box is from Rachel Pally, and the little pamphlet here says that this is the Rachel Pally Reversible Clutch in Bloom, Zahara, or Paradise. Now, this thing I already knew about, and I'll be totally honest with you, I do a lot of spoiler research for this box because one, it's quarterly, so you have to wait a long time in between and you just get plain excited. But secondly, because I'm an annual member, I have the option to customize a lot of the box's offerings. And I know I sound like a broken record and I say this in every FabFitFun unboxing, but I think that that's really what puts this subscription box head and shoulders above the rest, because oftentimes it can be really exciting to get a subscription box, but maybe you don't love all of the products because you really would have worn that, I don't know, shawl in a different color, but because you don't like the color that you got, you're not getting a lot of use out of it. Well, in order to make sure you love everything and you're definitely getting your money's worth, FabFitFun lets you basically customize over half of the box, which I think is just incredible, including this clutch. So I chose the one that's white and it reverses into this floral print to look like this. And this feels like a canvas, and then this other inside, I think it is it doesn't say what this is made out of, but it doesn't feel like real leather or anything. It just feels sort of like a pleather. But then it has this zipper pocket with this fun little tassel zipper. Oh, it's actually a really functional clutch. You can see it has this inside pocket that divides it in two basically. And I'm not a huge clutch person just because I feel like I'll leave them everywhere. But another reason is because they're not very easily organized. But now that this has this separate pocket inside, that's definitely a step in the right direction as far as clutches are concerned for me. So this retails for $60. That is awesome. And because I don't own a single clutch, this will be nice to have, you know, the one and only in my closet. So very excited. All right, so the next product looks like this light blue eye mask. And it says it's in collaboration with Free People and Understated Leather. This feels so thick and nice. Feels like an eye pack, and this pamphlet says, this vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time, and a charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. It also states that you could have received this in a like light baby pink, this light blue, or a white in the background. I'm not somebody who reaches for an eye mask every night when they go to sleep, but this could be really awesome to travel with. If maybe you're trying to sleep on a long plane ride or something along those lines and you just want to block out the lights. Because I can't resist this massive product in the bottom here. This is sort of crazy looking. This is the Physique 57 Massage Roller. Serious results and serious relief. Use this massage roller after an intense Physique 57 workout to give your muscles some sweet relief. So it looks like you can get, Physique 57 now offers bar classes on demand. See results in just 8 workouts. And as a FabFitFun member, you get a free 2-month trial to Physique 57. So that's pretty awesome. I struggle with sore muscles a lot. I'm an avid spinner, like a indoor cycling, and my legs are constantly sore, so this is gonna be perfect to, you know, like roll out my thighs and my calves and stuff when they get sore. So I'm very excited to have this. I've entertained buying a foam roller a time or two, but I guess I won't really even have to anymore now that I have this sucker. Retails for $20. Throw this in your carry-on bag when traveling to help relieve sore muscles on the go. Another good idea. And it looks like you could have gotten this in purple, this like orangey red color, gray, or blue. This is extremely useful and something that I actually have been meaning to buy. So very, very excited that came in the box. Then there's a ton of stuff left in here. I did not even realize. Okay, the next thing smells amazing, and I'm so happy I got this scent. So let me tell you what it is. This is the Anderson Lily #1 Manhattan Beach candle. Now, I don't know if it was BoxyCharm or FabFitFun that I had gotten the Anderson Lily hand cream, and it was in the scent Manhattan Beach, and I loved it. Like, it was the one thing that I thought I am going to get on that website and order it because the scent was amazing. So when I saw that they had the candles available from this brand and they had that scent, I was just, it was a no-brainer. But because I'm me, I like pined over the decision of what candle to pick, and then I just remembered, Maggie, you loved it. And I do love it. It smells so fresh, like you just got out of the shower, like that comforting, oh gosh, I'm burning that right away. It's gonna live right here. And I really like the copper. It goes with everything in my room, which is an added bonus. So because I'll probably be buying more of these, let's read about it. The Anderson Lily Sunset Collection candle in Manhattan Beach. You could have also gotten Fresh Linen or Super Bloom. So these retail, okay, Maggie probably won't be buying another one of these because they're $45 a piece. That is crazy. It is made with a hand-poured coconut wax blend and a cotton lead-free wick. So it definitely is a healthier candle for you. I'm gonna have to burn this sparingly or save the box, even it smells so good. Oh, this next thing is, okay, I'm currently in need of moisturizer and I've been putting it off. This is from Murad and this is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. Pretty straightforward. It is 1.7 ounces, so this is like your typical moisturizer size if you're buying from places like Ulta or Sephora. Murad is typically a pretty expensive brand, so it says this is, ooh, yeah, this retails for $40. Skin Perfecting Lotion, yes please. This is an ultra-light, oil-free moisturizer to help with blemish-prone skin. So I think that this is a wonderful thing for the spring box now that the weather is starting to change and things are getting a little bit warmer. That means we're probably gonna start sweating more and we might have those blemishes due to like clogged pores and everything. So this is a perfect product. Oh, I am so excited about this. I think that this is my favorite FabFitFun box ever. I really, really do. And this is not sponsored. I honestly wish it were, because then that would mean I got this box for free. This is another thing I got to pick and I'm very excited about because I love the brand Corez. This is the Guava Body Butter and it smells like the beach. This was another item that people who are like quarterly subscribers were also able to choose. So you got the choice of this Corez Guava Body Butter or the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Masks. This retails for $24 and the lip masks retail for $24.99. All right, we have two more products left and this is Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. So in every FabFitFun box, they include a sponsored item. So Dove paid to have one of their trial size products in there. This actually looks like a decent size and I love exfoliating body polishes or body scrubs. This is in crushed macadamia and rice milk. Excited to give that a try. It's something that I definitely use, so this will not be one of those trials that I just sort of throw to the side. And the very last product is this Dermalect Cosmic Cuticles Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. Not feeler. Filler. So it looks like you just paint this on your nails. I don't really know what this is for. Keep your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy with this filler. It multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with protein, vitamins, and moisture. Apply as a base or top coat, or you can wear it alone for a nice sheen. And this retails for $18. Is this something that I think everybody needs? No. I am definitely glad that it came in this box and I didn't buy it separately. But a cool thing that I may discover is life-changing for my nails. Who knows? So sadly, that is everything in this box, but truly I do think I can declare this is my favorite FabFitFun box ever. I am genuinely excited about every single item, including my add-ons. I don't really know about that nail ridge filler thing, but you know what? If we have one product that I'm sort of meh about, then I'd call it a good box. So if you're interested in trying your own FabFitFun box and you want a little bit of cash off the top, then I'll put my referral link down in the description box that'll get you $15 off your first box so that you can have as much fun as I did every quarter getting these little goodies. So if you like this video, then please like it. And if you want to see more, I'll link all of my FabFitFun unboxings in the description box below if you're on a little spree. Subscribe, stick around, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.